a leprechaun?
Yeah.
Oh, it must be your mustache. Your mustache gives it away. Oh! You are not a leprechaun.
Yeah.
But you want all this gold. And I don't even notice you. Who are you? So today we're going to trick the leprechaun into thinking that he found his gold when in actuality he has not. So we're going to do some slime. And this one, he thinks he's got his gold. He thinks he's got his gold, and then when it hits sunlight, it turns red. And then he will find out that he did not get his leprechaun gold. Okay, so what?
I am a leprechaun.
You are a leprechaun? Oh, you're so tricky. And you're not a leprechaun anymore. I can't even do an Irish accent.
This is actually fake.
It is fake. Okay, so what we're gonna do is this one's 9 fluid ounces, but we've used some in here, so this is roughly about 6 ounces in here. We are going to use a measuring cup, a measuring spoon. We're going to use some. We are going to use some eye drop solution, and that is got boric acid. And if it doesn't have boric acid, it will not work. And last but not least, we will be using some baking soda. What I'm going to want you to do is I need you to put this glue in this tray. Keep it in the tray. Okay, we're going to keep it in one spot so that way we can mix.
Oh, did you see the bubble?
Yeah.
Oh, it farted.
It did.
They're pooping.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, so step number 2, after we've put all the stuff in, we are going to take half a tablespoon at a time of baking soda. So let me just measure it, and then you can put it in there. All right, and then that's it. Then you're going to stir. Then we've got some glitter to help confuse that leprechaun. So we're going to keep on going, and then we'll put in the glitter. Make it look like gold so that he will want to take that slime. And then he'll be totally tricked, won't he?
Yeah, or he's gonna get stuck when he takes it.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay. Throw it in.
Okay, hold the tray when you stir. So now we're going to do some eye drops. And what we're going to do is we are doing 1.5 tablespoons. 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution. And what you'll want to do is you want to make sure that that's all stirred up. And you'll only want to do half a tablespoon at a time to try and make sure that it's all mixed up. Okay. So, go ahead, stir.
Wait, chase it around.
Yep, chase it around.
Oh!
It's starting to form up into slime.
Oh!
Oh, wow. Doesn't that look like a slug?
Yeah, look at it slow.
Slow motion. Stir.
How are we gonna go with this?
I don't know. It looks like it's going to stay there forever.
That's not.
Yeah?
Wiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Wiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Wiggle, jiggle.
Oh!
Ah! I told you.
Yep. This is the final product of your slime.
Oh!
Oh! It's all retracting itself.
Yeah.
So I want to do a second part to the slime challenge.
Oh!
I want to see if this I want to see if this slime, how this slime compares to the slime that's from Nickelodeon, where it's super gooey fun. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's try it. Okay, so you want to see how this compares to this Nickelodeon slime?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Can we get this out? Oh, look at, oh!
Jello-y!
It's jello-y, isn't it?
Oh! Jello.
Oh, look at that. Oh, this is like slime. Alright, let's try and put some glitter in it. Oh, you put all of it?
Yeah.
See if it folds in.
When he's gonna get tricked by D2?
Yep.
Guess who's gonna get tricked by D2?
Who is?
Me, because I'm the leprechaun.
Oh, you're the leprechaun. Oh, no.
Yeah.
All right.
And now I gotta know your trick.
Now you're going to know my trick. Oh, no. But we don't want that to happen.
But my mom won't get tricked.
What? How do you know that?
Because he doesn't have a phone.
Oh, he doesn't have a phone. Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that. And you even got like some gold glitter on it. So you know who has touched the golden slime.
Yeah, my mom's gonna know. We made slime with mommies.
Yeah. Look at that.
Look how much I'm taking. I keep on coming. Look at the slime.
Oh, wow.
I keep on coming.
We're going to have golden glitter everywhere.
Yeah, because look. When I keep on cut.
Hmm?
No!
Let me see.
It's a worm!
Oh, so this kind of breaks apart a lot easier, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I can refix it!
But this one kind of holds on. Which one do you like better?
That one, because it's more glittery.
Because it's more glittery. So my review is I feel like the Nickelodeon slime is more like slime-like. The more I touch the Elmer's glue version of slime, it feels like it's hardening up. Versus this one's a lot nicer to squish. This one is getting really hard to squish, right? Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye,
Like and subscribe.
guys.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.